When I come home from school, I just walk in through the door and then I smell that amazing smell that just wafts through the house.
So did you know that when I met your dad, that his friends told me that he was a professional chef? I found out that he wasn't a professional chef. However, he did know how to cook. And so when I found that out and I started commuting 2 hours each way to work, he really stepped up in the kitchen. And then he started working with other dads and learning new recipes.
Definitely seen his growth over the years. I mean, he's perfected some of these really awesome recipes. He's been able to make great food.
We're pretty darn lucky, right?
Yeah.
I know, I feel very spoiled. I think I've gotten a little bit lazy in the kitchen. What do you think?
Just a tad. Just a little bit.
I mean, look at this gorgeous salad we're getting ready to eat.
And look at this amazing salad dressing that he made from scratch.
I know, that actually is really cool. What are your favorite
There's so many
meals?
things, but probably one of my favorite thing has to be his petroli.
Petroli sole?
Yes, the petroli sole. But it's really good because of the added breadcrumbs.
I love those breadcrumbs, and I love how tasty and moist it stays.
Yeah,
right?
It does. It's more of like a crunchy taste.
One of the things that I really like that he makes is his eggplant.
That's really good. It's with the Japanese style eggplant.
Right, right.
And it's more of a teriyaki sauce.
That just melts in your mouth, doesn't it?
It does.
Do you enjoy sitting around the table and talking about our day? I mean, I know we never argue, so that's good news, right?
We definitely never argue at all.
You might be telling a fib.
Maybe.
Yeah. You know, one of my most favorite things that your dad has made is a recipe that he got from another dad, which is the crab cakes.
Those are definitely really good.
There you go.
Ooh.
Little pork chop, little portobello. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
And thank you, Jason.